something important. It can change your mind. When you touch this, it can change your mind. There are certain methods. When you understand mudra world, it can harmonize your emotions. Some mudra can harmonize your emotions. Some mudra can harmonize your stomach, gas, acidity, lung problem. So we have to understand this. Mudras are very, very beautiful, and our hand has perfect order. This is hand, and it is also expressing tri-origin. How many fingers you can see? 4. How many fingers you can see? 4. It means 4 मतलब क्या? 4 forces पढ़े थे ना? एक क्या होगा? न्यूटो, हेटेरो, होमो एंड न्यूट्रो. न्यूटो, हेटेरो, होमो एंड न्यूट्रो. फिर ये क्या होगा? ये क्या होगा? 4 forces, बट ये चलाने वाला कौन? ये दुनिया चलाने वाला कौन? न्यूटो के ऊपर भी कुछ है ना, सोल के ऊपर भी कुछ है ना, एंड दिस इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग द जीरो वर्ड. Existent spirit, spirit to exist, or you can say God phenomena. This term is not simple, this is simple. हम अपने उसमें भी कहते हैं हम 5 तत्वों से बने हैं और एक दिन 5 तत्वों में विलीन हो जाएंगे. हैंड इज एक्सप्रेसिंग ब्यूटिफुल ऑर्डर. अगर ईश्वर ने हाथ में इतना ब्यूटीफुल ऑर्डर दिया है, इतना सिस्टमैटिक उंगलियां और थंब जितनी फोर्सेस हैं उतनी उंगलियां दिया. सुजोग में तो ये तक पढ़ते हैं कि हैंड इज सिमिलर टू ह्यूमन बॉडी. इट मीन्स हाथ में फिर कुछ तो हीलिंग पावर होगी. जितनी भी ऑल्टरनेटिव मेडिसिन हैं, जितनी भी आप देखेंगे होलिस्टिक ऑल्टरनेटिव मेडिसिन आप देखेंगे, चाहे वो प्राणिक हीलिंग हो या रेकी हो या सुजोग हो या मुद्रास हो, हम क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? हैंड. आप देखिए हैंड को हम मजाक में लेते हैं. हीलिंग है, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग हीलिंग पावर इट हैज. बट हम इसको यूज कैसे करें? हम इसको कॉन्शियसनेस, ओनली थिंग इज वी हैव टू ट्रेन अवर कॉन्शियसनेस टू यूज दीज मुद्रास. Even if you don't have this consciousness, sometimes we advise the patient, you do this mudra, you do, still it is working, because these fingers are conveying very, very great message of him. This is expressing his consciousness, fundamental consciousness. And thumb is him. When something, some force is disharmonized, when you touch thumb with that finger, this finger is harmonized. Any finger can be harmonized because thumb is him. Thumb is, this is symbol. आप देखिए रेकी में भी अब सिंबल बनाते हैं. मुझे एक चीज़ बहुत सुंदर समझ में आई. हैंड इज ऑल्सो सिंबल. इससे सुंदर सिंबल है ही नहीं. इतना सुंदर सिंबल. और कुछ समझ ना आए, हम स्माइल लोगों भी बनाते हैं, बट हाथ हम ड्राइंग में सुंदर बना नहीं पाएंगे जितना सुंदर हाथ ईश्वर ने बनाया. रेकी में हम सिंबल सीखते हैं, अरे हम ये हाथ भी बना देंगे ना, दिस इज सो ब्यूटिफुल सिंबल. We should have this kind of consciousness how to use these symbols now. When you understand, now you have background of tri-origin, you have background of smile. When you understand smile and tri-origin, then these mudras are so good. And when your consciousness reaches high, you don't need even sujok. I say, I'm practitioner of sujok, but I say this. You are not dependent on anyone. You don't need sujok. Only smile is enough. Now, when I teach this mudra, when I'm teaching this mudra, you will not understand because you cannot see from here because people sitting from far. So I will show you on the slide. So, slide.
About mudras. Our hand has tremendous healing power. With simple mudras, we can heal our mind and body. Not only mind and body, but also we can heal our life situation when we understand how these forces are functioning in this universe. There are fundamental 4 forces in this universe, and our hand is beautifully expressing these fundamental forces. Our hand is expressing his fundamental consciousness. Our hand plays an important role in everything we do, but also beneath their surface lies a control board for your entire body. Not only body, but also it can influence mind and also, as I said, life situation. A hand mudra is both a symbolic and therapeutic gesture mainly performed with the fingers. By positioning our fingers in various postures, we can influence how energy is channeled inside of us. Think of it as opening an electrical circuit inside your body. Touching 2 fingers together can direct the flow of internal energy to where it is needed and create healthy benefit to man and body. Mudras have been used for thousands of years to prevent illness and also as a way to communicate with our internal organ and our mind. Many cultures believe that these simple hand postures are more powerful. Also, the position of our hand has the ability to influence energy of our physical, emotional and spiritual body. Mudra helps to link the brain to the body, soothes pain, stimulate endorphins and can change the mood and can increase our vitality. Mudra has been used extensively for thousands of years by our yogis as it brings peace, calm and spiritual progress. There is a basic fact about the fingertips. They have sensory receptors and nerve connections. These receptors convey the information to the brain and the spinal cord. The fingertips contain about 100 times more receptors per square centimeter than the skin on the back. Now let's see how these fingers are expressing the forces. As you all know that there are 4 fundamental forces working in this universe. Heteroforce as Brahma force, Homoforce as Shiva force, Neutroforce as Vishnu force and Neutoforce as regenerator Shiva. How to recognize which finger is representing the force? Which force? As you know, heteroforce is very active force and homoforce is less active. Neutro is moderate force. For example, make a fist, make a tight fist, you all can do with me now. Now one by one, we will open finger one at a time. Let's open hetero finger, Brahma finger, this one. And move your finger from left to right, clockwise and anti-clockwise. And move front, bend, stretch, left, right. You can feel this finger is very active finger. Yes, and also it can open and stand straight. Yes, and now let's open next finger. First close and now open ring finger, which is homophores. Homophores. This finger is opening. Oh, this finger not opening fully. Contraction phenomena is more in this finger. Hetero was very active, but this finger doesn't want to come out from the zero word. This is zero word. And homophores is not responding, not very active. Contraction phenomena is more. It means this finger is representing homophores. Homophores is beautiful force also. Sometimes we need homophores in some situation to control some aggressive situation. Homophores is required. This is heterophores. And this is homophores. Heterophores is very active, vigorous force, quick force. It can act promptly. Hetero is always running very fast because of great ambition. Heterophores is very active force, but also very, very beautiful, wonderful hetero. Brahma force, hetero force, you are the creation bearer. We are thankful to hetero force. Hetero force has initiating power to create this world. This finger is representing Brahma force, hetero force. Homophores, such a contracting power of homo, condenses the scattered water molecule into the raindrops. Homo power, because of contraction force, consolidates, unify, harden, condense, simplify, and combine things. Thanks to homophores, contraction power of homophores is also wonder in this world. Middle finger representing neutral force, Vishnu force. Neutral was born during the unification process of hetero, homo and neutral. This unification or mingling also symbolizes the unification between this world and the zero world. Neutral has ability of hetero, homo and neutral. Neutral is harmonizing force, and thumb is representing the existent spirit, the God. And this thumb is controlling all fingers. Without thumb, these fingers have no meaning. This is the great message. These four forces are working in this universe, but behind these forces, there is operating neutral. This thumb also becomes operating neutral, and this operating neutral is operating this world. Thumb represents healing. This is a great symbol. Hand itself is a great symbol of his consciousness. That is why hand has tremendous healing power. In many healing systems, whether it is Reiki, pranic healing, Sujok, many healing systems, we use hand. Hand has very beautiful healing power. Mudra healing is one of the most beautiful healing power which is present in the hand. Now let's study next. To understand how to use mudras, we should know correct hand model in relation to all the forces. As you know now, index finger, hetero finger, ring finger is forefinger, middle finger is neutral finger, little finger is neutral finger. Now each finger again has branches. You can see branches. You can see 4 joints here. 1, 2, 3 and hidden joint. Upper is hetero, lower is homo, middle is neutral and hidden joint is neutral, 0. Hidden joint. Hetero, neutral, homo and neutral. And similarly, you can see this phenomena on each finger. All upper joints are hetero joint, middle joints are neutral joint, and base joint all base joints are homo joint. And all hidden, this is the neutral. And this area is the origin of this finger. This finger has its origin here. It is starting from here. Yes, these are all the joints. You can also say the origin point, the source, the origin. Now, we have to learn tonification and sedation. These are the forces. Sometimes, according to the disease, we tonify or sedate. How this tonification looks like? When you touch this force, this finger, with the tip of the existent spirit, this is symbol of power, heavenly force, operating neutral. When the crown, when the tip of this thumb touches the tip of this finger, this tip point is very, very important. Touches, this is tonification of hetero force. And when it touches the tip, thumb tip, touching the tip of the neutral finger, it is the neutral tonification. Here don't forget that your tips should touch. It should not be like this. It should be tip. heterotonification, neutroponification, smile tonification. Neutro force is symbol of Vishnu force, smile force. At tip of finger touching the thumb tip is homotonification. Tip, homotonification. Neutotonification. Neuter finger. It is also symbol of zero phenomena. Sleep is neuter. You become zero. So sometimes when sleep is not good, you need sleep. This is neutotonification. So heterotonification, neutroponification, homotonification and neutotonification. Now, again I want to mention, so as I told you, don't forget the tip, because mudras, to obtain the result, very good result, you have to touch the tip. Some people are performing mudras, but if not correctly done, you will not reach the result. This is also mudra, this is also mudra, but healing effect will come only when your tip touches. Tip. So, for beginner you can practice, you can make dot on the tip so that while doing mudra, you can observe how tips are touching. I will draw tips dot for you to show that tip should touch. You can see the tip. So with pen, to show you, I have put the dots here. These are the most important points. Very, very strong energy flow on these points. While performing mudras, your tip should touch like this now. Tip touching, and tip touching. Yes? Now let's take one example. For example, if someone has high blood pressure, then which mudra? This is expansion. Brahma force, expansion force is too much. We can invite Shiva, contraction power, to reduce. BP should come down. Descending force, contraction force. So, homo force and tip, touch. This way. This mudra. Very gentle touch. It should be just mild touch. And you will feel some pulse. You must keep this mudra for 20 minutes. 10 minutes to 20 minutes. And if you do twice a day minimum, you will find a big change. Your BP condition improving, your heart condition internally improving. As a result, it is stable. BP is stable. Homo, invitation to homo force to reduce the BP, blood pressure. But if patient has low blood pressure, BP is very low, it means you want help of heteroforce, Brahma force. You need activity, you need expansion. This is symbol of expansion. Then tip, index finger, hetero finger, tip touching the heavenly thumb, existing spirit, Very beautiful, wonderful, heavenly force. This thumb is His power. When His power, when index finger, head to finger receives the blessing of this, blessing of He, head to finger is activated. Heteroforce is activated. And when heteroforce is activated, then BP, which was very low, this ascending force helped, and now BP is normal. Rising up to the moderate level, this is called heterotonification. Sometimes one hand, sometimes two hands. It depends from person to person. If you need additional power, you can use the other hand also. The most ideal time to practice hand mudras is when you have time to concentrate and feel the effect, like during meditation, yoga practice, or during deep breathing, pranayama exercises. But the most important thing is to practice mudra with smile. When you achieve the mudra state, breathe in, pause, and then let your lip corner go up. Stay there in this pause condition according to your capacity and release. Then again, inhale, go until the peak stage of inhaling, statue, pause, and smile, lip corner going up, up, and stay in this stage, and then release. After doing mudra, you have to focus your breath. Inhale, exhale, but after inhale, you have to pause. So when you inhale, reach the peak stage of inhaling. Pause. This pause is zero phenomena, Newton, zero word. And this zero word has connection, can connect the smile very fast. We have come from the zero, the source, our origin is smile. When we are disconnected with our origin, disease takes place. When we connect to smile and also through zero, every nano moment we are with zero, but we have to sense that zero. Through mudra and breathing, we can easily connect ourselves to zero phenomena. After doing mudra, keep your hand posture in mudra stage. Inhale, go until the peak stage and pause. Pause, and lip corner should go up, up. This is lip mudra. Your lip mudra should look like this. Lip corner should go up and until the capacity in this form. And release. Exhale. While exhaling, you can relax your lips. Relax. 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 Then again